In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with Cpalead. I know a lot of people are struggling to make money with CPA marketing. And what I've noticed is the major problem that people have is driving traffic to CPA offers or content locker. So in this video, I'm going to be unpacking everything. I know a lot of people don't have the budget to run paid ads, and don't worry, you have options. Now you want to create a Cpalead account. If you don't have one already, you can just come to cpalead.com and click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, you're going to be brought to this page where you can sign up with a Google Plus account if you have one. And if you don't have one, you can basically just input your name here, your last name, your email address. You can also choose if you have earned over $1,000 or more with another network. You can choose yes or no depending on whatever your option is. So I recommend you choose no if you are a beginner, of course, but don't worry about it. They are still going to approve you. And then you want to choose a question. So once you've done that, you submit the info. You're gonna get approved right away or within 24 hours. So as for me, I'm just going to log in since I have an account with them already. So once you are here, you want to always log in as a publisher, not as an advertiser. Okay, so you click on login as a publisher. Now I'm in my account, so I'm going to show you how to promote these offers. Okay, so you want to come to offers. If you come here, you can choose whatever country you want to promote offers from. Okay, you can just click on this country here and you can select any country of your choice you want to drive traffic to. And keep in mind, any country you decided to choose, your offers are only going to convert when people from that location or that country complete your offer. And also you can choose the type of offer you want. If you want email submit only, they usually pay around $1 or so. So if you want only email submit, you can just click that. It will show you email submit from that country. If you want pin submit, mobile offers, and this mobile offer is usually install offers. Okay, and this trial offer or purchase, you can choose that too if you want. And you can also choose the device that you want. If you want to target Android, iOS, if you want to target both Android and iOS, you click on this mobile CPA. Or if you want to target all device, you can click on that too as well. So once you've done that, you can see there are a lot of offers here for United States. I know I mentioned United States a lot, and that is because they are one of the best if you want to make a lot of money with CPA marketing. But you don't have to use United States alone. You can go for other countries if you like. So moving on, you can see there is an offer here. This one, you can only see this one in CPA lockers. As you can see here, it stated it that locker only, which means this offer will only appear in content lockers. When you want to promote CPA offers, you want to make sure you want to keep all these informations in mind. You want to make sure you are targeting the right device. You want to also make sure you are targeting the right country. So you want to keep those two factors in mind, the device and the country where the advertiser wants their leads from. Content locker is usually one of the best way of making money with CPA marketing, because you are going to be locking a content and the user needs to complete a number of offers or an offer depending on how you set up your locker. And once they complete the lockers, you get paid and they get the content they came for. The best way that you can maximize your earnings with content locker is that you want to make sure whatever you are offering your visitors is of high value. It's something that is going to be difficult for them to get elsewhere for free. People are lazy. If they know they need to complete an offer to get it, they are less inclined to complete that offer. If they know they can just go to Google and type it out and then they can get that content. So you want to make sure whatever you are offering, your niche, is something of high quality, something they know they can't easily get it even if they want to. That is the way you can maximize your earnings with content locker. And to create a content locker on Cpalead is very simple. All you need to do is click on lockers. You can click on link, you can click on file and link lockers. So once you click on that, you want to click on create. So you're going to be shown various content locker templates that you can use if you like. So one of my favorite locker for Cpalead is this movie locker. If I click on if you want to scroll down and click on this use template. So you can use this locker to promote any movie, okay, especially a movie that is currently trending. I know I've shown a lot of videos about how to get traffic to movies that are currently trending. So you can use this locker to make money. Okay, you want to give it a name. Okay, and now you want to add a description of the movie in here. So you want to go to Google and type in Squid Game. Okay, so once you type that, you are going to get the detail of the movie. So let's click on this. So if you come to this website, if you come to the top, you'll be able to see the storyline of the movie. So you can just copy it. So once you copy that, you go back to your dashboard and then you can paste it in here. Okay, so once you're done with that, you want to look for an image for the movie. Let's go back to Google and type in just Squid Game, and then you want to go to images. So let's see if we can use this one. So once you click on this one, you can just right click and save the image. So I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to upload the image and then paste it in here. So you want to make sure you have the movie uploaded somewhere. So this is where you are going to place the link. It will be on Google Drive or wherever you upload the movie. So once you have it uploaded, you grab the link, you paste in the link here. So once they complete the offer, they have access to watch the movie. Okay, and here you can set your minimum payout if you like, if you want it to be $1, $2, whatever it is. Okay, but usually it's better to leave it blank. All right, so you can leave the other things the way they are. So you want to click on save and preview. Okay, as you can see right here, this is the movie. You can see they gave it a rating here, IMDb rating. You can see the rating here. You can also see the quality high definition. You can see some comments here just to make it look real. And if they click on play, the content, you can see here, you can see this is going to start playing. And before you know, the content locker will pop up. So let's just hold on. After watching that preview for a while, the content locker popped up. So that is the whole purpose. That is the reason why I like this template. So I'm just going to click out of this. So you are going to click on finish. So once you click on finish, you want to click on get links. So this is the link to our content locker. So if I come here and paste in the link here, as you can see, this is the content locker right here. Okay, the same thing too as I showed previously. You can see it's displaying, and after a while, boom, the content locker is going to pop up. And once the content locker pops up, they have to complete an offer to continue watching. And as you can see, another good thing here, it has this social proof right here. You can see it says over 11 million people are watching this. All right, as you can see right here, you can see the content locker popped up. So once they complete these offers, you get paid, okay, and they will get access to watch the full movie wherever you logged it. You can see this is a very, very good landing page that you can use. If you take a close look at the landing page, you can see it has the storyline of the movie. It has a good rating here. You can see it also has some people commented here. And also it has about 11 million people start watching it. And you can see it says it's online. So basically, this is one of the best landing pages you can use. People will always want to watch these movies for free if they can watch it. So there are ways you can make money with this if you don't have paid traffic, obviously. And this is not the only landing page that you can use. There are a lot of other landing pages that you can use if you don't want to use that. Or you can just come to this landing page. You can click on this browse remade landing pages. So you can see there are a lot of landing pages that you can use if you want to promote this free PayPal cash. You want to go to make money online groups. You want to make comment asking people who want PayPal cash, so they can opt in for this giveaway offer. And once they submit their email, you get paid. So there are a lot of ways that you can promote CPA offers. If you do it the right way, trust me, there's a lot of money to be made even with free traffic. And once you make a lot of money with free traffic, you can go on invest that in paid traffic, because the reason why paid traffic is the best is because all you literally need to do is set up your campaign and you can watch the money rolling in. So you can see there are a lot of landing pages here that you can use to promote content lockers, a lot of them. So you can just use any of these landing pages. You can use any of them to drive traffic. Okay, so you have to get creative too, guys. You have to get creative to make money with CPA marketing too. So you can see another one here for eBay gift card. You can see one here for Bitcoin mining. I think I made a video in the past on how you can use Bitcoin. You can see one here for OnlyFans. So there are a lot of landing pages, endless landing pages, way more landing pages than CPA Grip has. So you can just come here, grab their landing pages, set up a content locker, and boom, get the money rolling. Okay, you can see I can keep scrolling down all day and there's still a lot of templates to be used. So basically, once you've made your content locker, the first thing you want to keep at the back of your mind is traffic. If you don't have money to run paid ads, so the second best option is free traffic. And with free traffic, you can get it from social media. You can go on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, all the social media platforms that you use on a regular basis. So you can pick one of them and you can go there, promote your CPA offers. Of course, you have to give them value before they will click on your link. And if your content locker is not helping them in any way, nobody is going to click on that link. So take for instance, for this Squid Game movie landing page we created, there are a lot of people who are looking to watch this movie. Even though the movie is quite popular already, there are still a lot of people that are yet to see the movie. Some of them cannot afford to pay for Netflix subscription and all that. So you can just offer them this easy access, get the movie uploaded somewhere, and then you can send them this content locker. If they start watching it for a while, they think they are watching the movie. After they complete the offer, they will be redirected to the actual movie. You can see this landing page looks so real, and they are definitely going to complete the offer because when they clicked on that play, the movie was playing. So if you find any value, of course, please smash that like button. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.